As a program management expert, one of the most frequent questions I encounter regarding client relationships and operational efficiency revolves around communication and transparency. In the world of invoicing and accounting software, a client portal is a game changer. It acts as a dedicated, secure hub where clients can access important documents, view project progress, and communicate directly with you. So, does FreshBooks, a popular accounting solution for small businesses and freelancers, offer such a feature? The answer is a resounding yes. FreshBooks absolutely has a client portal. And for anyone managing projects, client relationships, and financial flows, understanding its capabilities is crucial. Why a client portal is indispensable for program management. Before diving into the specifics of FreshBooks' offering, let's establish why a client portal is not just a nice-to-have, but an indispensable tool for effective program management. Enhanced transparency and trust. In any program or project, clients want to know what's happening. A portal provides real-time visibility into invoices, payments, estimates, and even project updates. This level of transparency builds immense trust, which is the bedrock of successful long-term client relationships. As a program manager, you understand that trust reduces friction and makes collaboration smoother. Streamlined communication. Say goodbye to endless email threads trying to track down an invoice or clarify a payment. A client portal centralizes communication related to financial transactions and project details. Clients can ask questions directly on an invoice, leave comments on proposals, or share files securely. This reduces miscommunication and ensures all relevant discussions are in one place. Improved efficiency and time savings. For both your team and your clients, a portal saves valuable time. Clients can self-serve, accessing information whenever they need it, day or night, without having to contact you directly. This frees up your team from answering routine queries, allowing them to focus on higher-value tasks and project deliverables. Faster payments. One of the most significant benefits for businesses is accelerated payment collection. With a client portal, clients can view invoices, easily understand what they owe, and often make payments directly through the portal with various online payment options. This frictionless process encourages prompt payments. Better document management. No more searching through email attachments for the latest proposal or a past invoice. A client portal provides a centralized, organized repository for all client-related documents, from estimates and contracts to invoices and project reports. Professionalism and brand reinforcement. Offering a dedicated client portal elevates your professional image. It shows that you value efficiency, transparency, and providing a seamless experience for your clients. Many portals also allow for custom branding, reinforcing your company's identity. FreshBooks Client Portal. Features and functionality. FreshBooks Client Portal is deeply integrated into its accounting and project management features, making it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, especially those focused on services. Here's what you can expect. Invoice and payment access. This is the core functionality. Clients can log in to their personalized portal to view all their past and current invoices. They can see outstanding balances, payment history, and even download copies of invoices for their records. Crucially, they can also make payments directly through the portal using various online payment gateways, like Stripe, PayPal, or FreshBooks Payments. This significantly speeds up the payment collection process. Estimate and proposal management. Before a project even begins, the FreshBooks Client Portal can be used to share estimates and proposals. Clients can review these documents, leave comments or questions, and even officially approve them directly within the portal. Once approved, these can often be seamlessly converted into projects and then invoices, eliminating manual data entry and errors. Project collaboration and updates. This is where FreshBooks goes beyond just invoicing. You can invite clients to collaborate on specific projects within the portal. This means clients can view project progress, see tasks, timelines, and overall project status. This reduces the need for constant status update emails. Share files. Securely upload and download project-related files, such as creative briefs, drafts, or final deliverables. Communicate directly. Engage in discussions and leave comments related to the project, keeping all communications centralized and easy to track. This feature enhances transparency and fosters a more collaborative environment. View time logged. If you track time against projects in FreshBooks, clients can see a detailed breakdown of the hours worked, providing full transparency on billable time. Client communication and comments. Beyond project-specific discussions, the portal allows for broader communication. Clients can send messages to you or your team, and these messages are typically tied to their client record, providing a complete communication history. This avoids lost emails and ensures context is maintained. Credit tracking. If you offer client credits, e.g., for prepayments or loyalty discounts, clients can view their available credits within the portal and see how they've been applied to invoices. Security and privacy. FreshBooks emphasizes secure data handling. The client portal is designed with industry-standard security protocols to protect sensitive financial and project information. Clients typically create their own login credentials, ensuring only authorized individuals can access their specific data. Integrating the client portal into your program management workflow. From a program management perspective, integrating the FreshBooks client portal into your workflow is about more than just convenience. It's about optimizing efficiency and client satisfaction. Onboarding. Introduce the client portal during your onboarding process. Show clients how to access it, explain its benefits, and encourage them to use it for all financial and project-related communications. Regular updates. While the portal provides real-time data, you can still use it as a basis for your regular client check-ins. Refer to the information within the portal during your meetings to ensure everyone is on the same page. Feedback loop. Encourage clients to use the comment features for feedback on proposals, invoices, or project drafts. This centralizes feedback and ensures nothing gets lost in disparate communication channels. Training. For clients who might be less tech-savvy, a quick walkthrough or a simple guide on how to use the portal can go a long way in encouraging adoption. The verdict. Yes, FreshBooks certainly offers a robust and effective client portal. For freelancers, consultants, and small businesses that thrive on client relationships and efficient financial management, this feature is invaluable. It transforms the often cumbersome process of invoicing and communication into a streamlined, transparent, and collaborative experience. As a program management expert, I advocate for tools that enhance communication, build trust, and drive efficiency, and FreshBooks Client Portal delivers on all these fronts.